Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity here today on Victoria Crescent in Eccles in a very prestigious area to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached extended property which is coming to the market chain free. So as you can see from outside, we've got a beautiful low maintenance front garden, a driveway with a garage and a front porch. Entering, we've got a spacious entrance hallway with access up to our first floor. Got some space under the stairs and that could be utilised as storage. And then we've got at the front of the property our bay fronted, currently used as a dining room. So we've got 2 separate reception rooms, so we could have a dining room and a living area as it is currently laid out. And then our second reception room, which is at the rear of the property with patio doors here, entering into the fantastic garden that we have. So again, this is used as the living room currently. And then we've got patio doors to the rear garden. And then coming back through the living room and through to our fantastic modern fitted extended kitchen. So we can see we've got plenty of space here. It is extended past the true build of the property, as you can see there where our patio doors are. Lots of storage, unit space and worktop space as well, which is really handy. Perfect for families or growing families. And then we've got access through to our garage here, which could be used as parking or as storage as it currently is now. And again, we've got the driveway to the front as well, which is offering off-road parking. And then stepping back through the garage, we've got a back porch, which consists of our downstairs WC here, which is really handy. And then again, another door which is leading out to this fantastic rear garden that we have. They also have access down the side. And we've got this fantastic, beautiful, low maintenance tiered garden. So as you can see, the living room is housed through those patio doors. And then we've got a paving area here with seating and then steps up to our astroturf lawn. Nice and private, and again we've got a very good sized rear garden here. Again, it is tiered, so we've got the astroturf and some pebbles to the top, and then we've got paving down here with the seating area there, our kitchen extension and further seating to the left hand side there. So now coming back through the property and up to the first floor, we've got 3 very generous sized bedrooms and a modern 3-piece bathroom suite. So again, this property is coming to the market with us chain free. It's a fantastic opportunity to get onto the property ladder for someone who's a growing family, who's looking to be in this fantastic area with lots of amenities close by. We are within walking distance to Monton and Ellesmere Park as well. So we've got a dual bay to the front, letting in lots of natural light in our dining room and our main bedroom here. And then next door we have our second bedroom, which is again a very good sized double, and we've got some fitted wardrobes in here as well, and a fantastic view of our lovely garden. And then we've got our third bedroom here, which is overlooking the front of the property. So we've got a bit of storage on the left hand side there. And then we've got enough room for a single bed and some furniture. A very spacious landing with a window there bringing in natural light. And completing this floor is our lovely modern 3-piece shower room. So again, this property is coming to the market chain free. We are situated in Eccles on Victoria Crescent. If you would like to arrange a viewing and appreciate the size and potential of this fantastic property, please call 0161 707 4900.